Good morning. So we will continue with our hard words of lesson number 13, Animal World. So let's start. Number 1, wild animals. Domestic, farm animal, pet animal, useful, loads, travel and other, farmers, bullocks, then it's plow, fields, desert, camels, ship of desert, guard, feeders, insects, jungle and workplaces. So WILD, wild, ANIMALS, animals. Domestic, DODOMES, mess, TIC, tick, domestic. Farm, 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 animal, ANIMAL, mal, animal. PET, pet, animal. Useful, use, FUL, full, useful. LOADS, loads. Travel, TRAVEL, travel. And other, ANNOTHER, other, and other. Farmers, FARMERS, farmers. BULLOCKS, bullocks, then it's PLOUGH, plow. FIELDS, fields. Desert, DES, desert. ERS, ERT, deserts. Camel, CAME, CAME, LS, camels. SHIP, ship, FO, off. DESRSERT, desert. Guard, GUARD, guard. FEA, feathers, THERS, thus, feathers. INSECTS, insects. Jungle, JUN, GLES, jungles. Workplaces, WORK, work, PLACES, places, workplaces. So do these hard words in your copy, write it neatly. Again, I am just telling you, and try to read one word at least 5 times. Wild animals, then it's wild animals. ऐसे बोलने से हमें इनके वर्ड्स भी लर्न होंगे और हम बोलेंगे तो हमें याद भी रहेगा और उसको लिखो भी प्रॉपरली, सुंदर सुंदर राइटिंग में. सो डू इट एट योर कॉपीज. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.